Hi everybody, welcome to Park Bench Interview for Cambridge. And today I am here with Mindy Eltringham with Shafer Insurance. And Mindy is a new owner here of the insurance company, but she's not new to insurance. But tell us a little bit about your background here at Shafer Insurance, Mindy.
Well, I just celebrated being here for 25 years, so I'm definitely not new.
Not new to it.
Definitely not new to it. 25 years ago, Mr. Shafer was looking for an employee due to some unfortunate circumstances in the office. I was looking for a job, so pulled me in, and it just kind of stuck. So he took me under his wing, and he taught me so much about the business.
Did you start as an agent or just start as a
I
clerk?
did not. I started just kind of like he was here. Sit here. I'll be with you when I can. And, just take in some information. And then, he got to work with me more and more. And then I was licensed a couple years later. And
Oh, that's pretty quick, really.
yeah, it was. I was licensed in 1998.
Okay, so you were pretty comfortable with it right from the beginning.
I was, absolutely. So then here we are.
And Shafer Insurance has been here for how long a time?
We were established in 1900. So we are
1900.
1900.
So Bing
yes.
wasn't the first?
Bing was not the first. His dad was the first.
I didn't realize
Yes. Yep.
that. Well, I remember hearing the name Bing, and because it was different, so but
Absolutely.
hearing that,
Yes.
didn't realize he wasn't the
No,
first
Bing's dad was the first. So
Wow.
John was third generation.
one. And so you definitely had a deep knowledge to be surrounded by, being
Oh
in
my
that
gosh.
length of time.
It was
1900.
1900. So we are 120 years old this year.
We've
We
seen
wanted
a lot
to.
of changes.
Yes.
Even in your 25 years, though,
Oh,
I'm
it
sure
was
you've seen a lot of changes.
Tremendous change. Not only the industry, but just a lot of changes that's happened.
Well,
So.
one of the questions that I wanted to ask you about was what motivates you to do this, or why did you latch on to it so quickly?
I just, there's people have a need. I like to be able to help people. Insurance, there's a lot of problems to solve, and we can certainly help that.
Yeah, 'cause that's the only time you're out looking for that, other than when you're looking for it initially.
Exactly.
You want to have it there as a net.
Oh, it's a huge safety net for people. Sometimes people don't understand it initially, but when they have that problem, they're very grateful that it's there.
Well, I had a gentleman, and he was a client of your company. I was driving down the road on 83 South in New Concord. I was driving down the road. He was mowing his yard, and I saw him. He was in a rider right next to the highway, and I didn't think a thing about it. As I drove by, my rear window got blown out. I mean, it was just like, I thought a gun had gone off or
Oh, I
something.
bet.
And I didn't know his name, but I knew who it was, and or I knew him. And I drove back after I said, you hit something with your mower and it blew out my window. He says, let's go call my insurance agent. So he's come in and he called John, and he was calm about it. He was just like, the window shattered in my car,
Yeah.
but he was just very calm about knowing that you guys would take care of it. So that certainly was very helpful to him, and I appreciated it as well, because it wasn't a problem. It was just like, oh, I'll call my insurance agent. That was
Yeah.
it. So you
Problem
solved a
solved.
big problem for him, and they fixed it,
Absolutely.
and it was no problem for me either. What is something about Shafer Insurance maybe that people don't generally know?
Well, a lot of times they're just like, we didn't know you were there. Right here on Wheeling Avenue. They're like, huh, you've been there for how long? 1973 we've been at this location.
Well, I remember when it was Donnelly's Hallmark before that.
So, yeah, and it's amazing that people don't know we are right here in downtown Cambridge, right beside the police station.
Yeah, now, higher profile now.
Exactly. So, yeah, we've been in the same place for a number of years.
You surprise people with that.
It's amazing.
Well, yeah, and you've been here for 25.
I've been here for 25.
So you've been here, it's always been here in this office since you started.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Well,
It's
there's
been
been
here.
changes all around you then.
It has been, yes.
The bank and now the police department. What is the advantage you think for people to shop local for their insurance needs?
You get to know, your agent. I think that's very important, that who is handling the things you own, the things you care about, and that actually we care about you. I think that connection's very important.
You're not just, what's your policy number?
Exactly. You're not you know, we know your name. We see you outside of the office. We can say, hi, how are you? How's your children? You know, we know our customers. I give them my cell phone number because we know things don't happen from 8 to 5.
They don't?
Surprisingly, they don't. So people can call me. I have no problem with that.
Okay. You're available.
I am available. So
Well, yeah.
I think it's very important because we actually care about our customers.
Well, I think that does make a huge difference. A big advantage, especially it's just a small community.
It is, absolutely.
Yeah. So what do you do besides work, or do you have other, what kind of other interests do you have?
Well, I'm a member of Rotary.
Okay.
I'm a board member of GROW, which is the Guernsey County Runners and Walkers Club.
I've never heard of that one.
Yep, that is, we're fairly new, but it was a group of ladies that got together and run, but now we're a nonprofit, so with our monthly challenges, we gather money and we donate to our local high schools, to their cross-country teams, so they can do things with their
cool.
money. You
Yeah.
know, maybe.
Serving the community.
Exactly, serving the
that
community.
you're living in.
Absolutely. Myself, Jennifer Vincent, and Karen Boyer, last year we started Warma Seniors Heart. So we gathered donations. People brought us blankets, and the seniors in the community, Meals on Wheels delivered blankets to over 900 seniors.
Wow.
Yes, it was amazing. So this year we're going to do a little something different with Warma Seniors Heart because of COVID, you know, but we are still going to do something just a little different, have to scale a little different, do a little things.
So what was that called again?
Warma Seniors Heart.
Warma Seniors Heart.
Yes.
Well, I think that is very unique.
And I'm a golf mom. Our son is 16 years old. He's been golfing, so I like to go get out on the golf course and watch him golf.
It's fun to watch your kids play sports.
It is, absolutely. And then we go camping. We have a camping trip planned this weekend, so we go with friends and.
Well, hopefully it
have
won't
a good
rain the whole
time
time,
there.
but the fall foliage is certainly beautiful.
Yes, it'll be a little chilly, but it's always a good time.
Well, thank you for meeting with me here today, but what's the best way for folks to try to get a hold of you?
Obviously, you can still stop in our office. You can give us a call.
Right next to the police department.
Exactly, right next to the police department.
Near the courthouse.
You can call us 439-2737. We have a website, ShaferInsAgency.com. We're on Facebook. So.
And you carry, I went to your website, I noticed you carry multiple lines of insurance. And one of the things came to mind here was about something that people probably don't know that you do is like commercial insurance.
We do, yes.
And so that would be like a business owner or a business owner, their health insurance for their group?
We do not get into the health insurance part,
just
but
property.
we do property insurance, we do liability insurance, auto insurance. We'll do your life insurance if you want an annuity, if you want disability income insurance. So if you get hurt and you can't work, you know, we can pay part of your salary with that. We'll do that, but we're not getting into the health insurance part of it.
But you do more things than just your house.
Oh,
and your
yes,
car.
we do.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you have insurance questions, be sure and call Mindy. And thanks for listening to the Park Bench interview for Cambridge. So long, everybody.